middle of the damn day. Hotter than the hubs of hell right now. Anyway, this is what we're looking at here. That area there. Looks like, I don't know, did somebody zip it already? Let me check it out. Oh, looks like I already zipped her. Oh. I would think some of this shit would snap back into place. You know, you could actually just take this damn thing off. I don't know. Anyway. Well, I got this done. Alright. Oh, I got rocks on my back. Son of a bitch. Alright, anyway. I'll probably call him later, talk to him about it. But... oh, shit. Whoops. Oh my god, this thing was upside down. Shit. Blake's just gonna fucking kill me. This ain't gonna be good when I open the door. He's trying to sting me. Anyway. I'll be careful. Actually, maybe I'll keep this thing running in case I get stung. We want to capture that. That'd be YouTube Platinum. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. I'm backing onto the street. Oh, it's dangerous. Alright. Oh crap, I gotta get gas in this damn pig. Yeah. I knew I'd forget about that wasp, and I did. But he's gone now. The damn thing fell on the floor down here. Look at this. That just needs to be vacuumed. That's just gross as hell. Anyway, throwing some oh my god, it's over 20. I don't think I've got 20 bucks on my account. Shit. What the hell? 48 bucks. Good thing this thing gets such awesome mileage. You only got to fill it up like twice a year. Not too bad. There we go. But the dude's giving himself a little parking lot tune-up on his little moped thing. What the fuck? Kind of funny. Turn that TV off. That's bullshit. Pumping gas is serious business. I don't need distractions. Yeah, moped dude said he was just tuning it up. He threw a new pipe on it. But anyway, seemed like a nice guy. Kind of a neat little rig. So, anyway, here we are back at it. It's back to full. Ooh. My debit card cleared. What the hell? So, anyway, that's good. Anyway, here's where Jeremy works. Well, here's where Jeremy spends his time. On the river. How awesome would that be? Oh, he's always telling us about his crazy adventures on the river. He makes it sound like a lot of work. What are we looking at here? It's a future home of BTP World Headquarters. Anyway, it's about a 50 by 100 lot. We're going to throw maybe a 40 by 50 garage. That's kind of the idea. 14-foot sidewalls, attic trusses. That's kind of the plan. Can I afford it? Probably not. But today we're going to be working on those two. The boat needs a hydraulic ram rebuilt. It's just like 3 O-rings, but getting the damn thing off in the first place. I mean, you're just going to watch me struggle here, folks. It's going to be boring as hell. Oops. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I gotta fix this damn GoPro first. It needs a nut and a bolt. Something. Anyway, I gotta look at it. Alright, here we are at the Three Season shop. BTP satellite facility. Anyway, I need stuff and I can't remember what the hell is. Oh, here it is. No. What? Oh, a drill. Oh, no. Oops. Oh, shit. That just fell over. Oh, I need some of those. Because, you know, Blake says every 5 minutes, oh, don't touch the damn lens, clean it off. Well, I got this damn thing out of his car. And it's just a greasy mess. Anyway. There we go. Oh, there we go. Got her. Air cleaner. Kind of a funky little affair. This thing actually clamps to the damn carburetor base. So, kind of a fucking pain in the ass. You got to get in here with a screwdriver and undo that clamp. Anyway, guys that know 65s, 64 Barracudas, this old hat shit to them. Alright, Rock Auto, if you know us, we always order stuff from Rock Auto. I tell you what, you can order the parts you want, you can order the damn name brand. You know, you go to one of the big box stores and they'll ask you, what do you want, good, better, or best? And if you tell them you want best, they hand you whatever the hell they want to hand you. This way I can look up stuff like, you know, we want a Wix air filter for it. I actually have no idea what this is. High grade carburetor repair kit. You know, we got that. Here's our trunk lock mechanism. Same guy, the Mopar shop, eBay. Anyway, excellent quality stuff. Reasonable. I can't remember what this was. 39 or no, 29 bucks, I think. So we're gonna drill out. Oh, that's what I need this for. Yeah. I'm gonna drill this out. Throw a new lock, keyed lock mechanism in place. Blah blah blah. Anyway, right now I'm gonna work on the damn boat. Ooh, what's this? Oh, we need some Super 77 on this. That's not good. Oh my god. I didn't do it. Brenda's gonna be mad. Back of the boat. So here we are under the boat. Okay. So like I said before, we're gonna film this just in case that motor drops and hits me on the head. Then this video is gonna go viral. So anyway, this thing here is the tilt trim mechanism for this motor. This assembly here, from what I gather, it runs you like 1,400 bucks if you buy a brand new. Probably a Mercury branded part. You know how they are. It's total BS. So what we did last year was this motor was acting funky. This is a new motor here. This we put on last year. The old one, in order to get the motor to function, we were tapping on this housing here. That's a no-no. Okay. So the magnet inside of the motor is actually kind of a ceramic light type material. You wrap on this, that magnet shatters basically inside. So, and it may have already been effed up to begin with. So, but I don't know if we probably didn't help it none by hitting it. So anyway, took this apart. It was just crap. So anyway, went up on eBay, picked this unit up here, made out of Chinesium for, I don't know, 54, 55 bucks, something like that. That got this going. So the pump actually works, but this ram doesn't go up and down. So there's a handful, I don't know, there's like 3 O-rings in here. I've got the kit up there somewhere. But anyway, in order to get this disassembled, you got to be able to move this ram all the way up. And anyway, it's just going to be easier if I can get this thing kind of off of this assembly and then take it right over the workbench and work on it over there. So anyway, prepare yourself for excessive struggling on my part. Anyway, just ran over to the satellite shop. Just want to get an idea of what tools I'm going to need. Probably some Allen wrenches. I just want to see what size I'm going to need. I have a couple more wrenches here. What the hell? I'm going to go ahead and remove this. That should take this whole pump assembly right out. I have to pull this harness. It's probably clipped in up on top somewhere. Then I'm going to work on removing. There's 3 bolts on this side, 3 on this side. Remove them 6. This one here is captured, and that's why I got to take this damn pump off. Thank you very much. Anyway, take this off, remove these 6 bolts, pull this whole assembly out. It should be that simple, right? Yeah, we'll see. All right, so far some of the fasteners are metric. These Chinesium ones were, I believe, a 5 millimeter. Okay, 5. What the hell? Oh, there's this sacrificial anode down here. This thing here, I believe that's what it is. I have no idea. These were actually a 10 millimeter bolt. Lock that into place. I threw a 1/2 inch wrench on that. That's going to fit on these. So I'm going to go ahead and keep don't have a 1/2 inch wrench here. I'll get a 1/2 inch wrench, and I'll go get a 1/2 inch 3/8 drive. But I'll use this here to buzz them off with it. All right, there we go. Yeah, so over the course of the past 20 years, I've been working on Dodge Neons. What the hell? Anyway, and my wife's got a Dodge Dakota RT, it's 98. So anyway, over the years, my tools have gradually been replaced. The old SAE stuff that I used to work with when I worked on my old stuff, been replaced by a lot of metric stuff. So now I'm having trouble just finding a damn 3/8 drive 1/2 inch socket. What the hell? Probably the most common socket on the planet. But anyway, yeah. So for the want of a 1/2 inch socket, the boat was lost. For the want of a boat, my sanity was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. Oh, here it is. Is that it? Yeah, it doesn't help that I can't see a damn thing. That says 1/2 inch right on it. All right, I'm gonna use that. Hey Jeremy, it's Jay. Say, look, I'm looking for a 5mm, 5mm Allen wrench, quarter inch drive or 3/8 drive. Well, 1/4 inch drive would work better. What do you got? Anything? DJ, boy, I don't know. Go up to the garage and look around. Yeah, okay. All right, thanks. You've been just, yeah, great help. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have fun playing on the river or whatever it is you do. Anyway, bye. Grab some more tools. Anyway, the stuff I've got, it doesn't look like it's going to work with a C-wrap. Hey, looking at this here. It looks like if I can drive that damn pin up, maybe that the shaft will come out and then it'll pull. This all will come out. I'm thinking. I don't know. I'm gonna try whacking it with a hammer. I gotta go get a hammer. Huh? What do you know? The sucker's gonna go up. Oh. Ooh, oh, ouch. Oh, there it is. Okay. So what the hell? It's just that easy. Wow, what the hell ever. Oh my God. Let's see if this, I gotta push that pin out. Whoops. There's that. All right, here we go, folks. Push me log. Oh. Careful. Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, I just barely. Oh, that's gonna come right out. Wow. I was gonna do it the hard way, and I discovered the easy way. Oh no. Ooh, ouch. All right. I gotta pull this cover off. Gotta get this harness out of here. Take this motor out. Blah blah blah. Whoo. Look at that, folks. I got it. Oh, it took all this. Well, maybe 2 or 3 pieces of that. Okay, now what do I need? Where's some kind of spanner? Son of a bitch. Anyway, this gotta come off. I got seals here. Let's see. Oh, Jesus. All right. All right here. Oh, those shit's been sitting here since last year. Look at that. How did that condensation get built up in there? Anyway, let's go back to the shed. Anyway, I want to protect this ram with a little piece of electrical tape. You don't want to nick this at all, otherwise, $1,400. There we go, just like that. And I got a big can of blaster here. We're going to soak this a little bit here. Whoops. Oh no. Alright, like that. Oh yeah, I can see it working already. Alright, we're gonna let this work for a while, this blaster, and then I'm gonna see if I can find a damn spanner wrench that'll fit in this. If not, an alternative would be, I've got an air hammer. What the hell? It's not even there. In the basement, I think. But anyway, maybe I'll try calling Jeremy again. I don't know. Anyway, all right, go look for that stuff. Be back. I'm in my socket wasteland drawer, and I thought I'd pull out every half-inch socket I could find. I can't even read. What the hell? I think Jeremy needs 14 millimeter. He broke one. That's not right. What is this? Can you read this? What the hell does that say? Yeah. Craftsman. That's a half-inch. Here we go. Anyway, yeah, nice. Okay. Looking for a spanner. I can't find one. Maybe I'll call Jeremy again. What do we got up here? Anything? Yeah, this is like the sub-basement of the satellite shop. The stairs are right around back of it. You've probably seen it before. I mean, not a big deal. Screwdrivers. Nothing here. Anyway. Maybe in this mess here. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Oh, I just. What I'm looking for? Spanner. Kind of adjustable. I don't know. Kind of chintzy too. Yeah, we'll give it a try. There we go. Oh, well, that drawer's not going. Oh, there it goes. Okay. What the hell? Oh, shit. Air hammer. Now the phone's ringing. Alright. Alright, here's a plan. I got this air chisel. I got a little, it's kind of like a sheet metal cutter doodad, but I think this dowel will kind of center itself right into it if I put enough pressure on it. Anyway, my guess is that this is probably going to shear this off, and this will remain unchanged. Anyway, let's find out. Okay, here we go. Oh. See if this thing will go in there. Oh, there we go. Well, look at this. Whatever. Stop laughing at me. Oh, there it comes. Ooh. Oh, there we go, baby. Ooh. Tight off. What the hell? Alright. I gotta grab a bucket, dump this fluid out. Back with a bucket, or dumper. Oh, okay. Oops. Ooh. Ooh. Well, that looks nice. Try this like this once. Anyway. O-ring on top here, it looks like a little thin one, and there's one at the end of this. We'll clean that shaft up. There's also a little cup, I guess, that's in the bottom of this damn thing. So I think we'll try to find a 12-volt source and try to get it to pump itself out. So anyway, all right, we're back at the boat. Green to green, blue to blue. foaming up. So anyway, fluid's getting by the seal, I guess. So I'm gonna take it back to the workbench and I'm messing with it some more until I get it. All right, I rigged up a jack in here. This thing is just giving me a hell of a time. I want this ram to come off. So I threw this jack in here, zip tied it. Anyway, if this doesn't work, Blake can just edit this crap out. So anyway, here we go, folks. Oh. Coming up. I think it's safe to say we probably leave that in. So, all right. Oh, here it comes. Ooh, okay. Scrubbing me shaft, making it clean. If you speak French, you probably understood what I said. Oh, son of a... I just about lost an eye, but she popped right out. A little persuasion. Anyway, as you can see, there's a little cup in there. That needs to come out. I think if we hook it back up, that should force out. I think, I don't know. But we're gonna have to find a way to get that out. So, anyway, let's set this here aside. Find a clean area right there. Wow, I wish I would have got that on film. Oh my god, the lens is all dirty. But anyway, yeah, I hit it in the up position. It wasn't coming, so I just kept the hammer down on it, and pretty soon, boom, it shot out of there like a cannon. Anyway, it went up about, oh, I'd say 20 feet. Oh, ouch. Oh, there we go. And it landed right here. Oh. So anyway, that's how that played out. Doggone it. I need to get this thing cleaned up. Anyway. Oh man, before you do what I just did, you want to make sure that your safety glasses fall off your head and land in the driveway. Ooh. And then power that sucker up and blow the piston out of it like a cannon. Yeah, so this little cup was down inside. It was kind of stuck. So I just kept pushing the up button. And must have built pressure. Then all of a sudden, boom, came right out. Somewhat violently. Anyway, I'm going to clean this stuff up. We're going to put new seals in it and slam her back together. O-ring kit, picked it up off on eBay. I just checked out what the hell, the part number is on another video. You know, there's a video, I mean there's 100 videos on how to do this thing on YouTube. This one's our particular video, so whatever, be a little bit different. We showed you some kind of tricks. But anyway, the one that comes at the top is just full of redundancy. It's just irritating as hell. Anyway, O-ring kit, pretty simple. So there's the thin one goes in the top, which seems kind of weird, but it does. That's the way this is. These O-rings actually feel kind of hard, so hopefully fresh seals are gonna restore this to like new condition. Save us 1,400 bucks, right? Alrighty. Mm-hmm. Alrighty. Rock this sucker in. Oh, that just went right in. Oh, ouch. Ooh. Think about throwing some aniseed on that, but I don't know if that's advisable or not. It just seems like the right thing to do. Okay, that's pretty snug. We're going to call it done for now until I get to the next part of it. Alright, I gotta go check something out. Well, I gotta find out what kind of fluid to stick in this thing. I thought I put type F in it. So I'm not sure. Anyway, that's the case. I'm sure Jeremy has probably 2 cases of type F up at his garage. Anyway, I'll probably check out a YouTube video. So that's kind of not right, making a YouTube video and looking at YouTube. Alright, oh, what the hell. I still didn't get the fluid information. But in the meantime, somebody messaged me on, oh, I got an 8 3/4 inch rear axle assembly. And he wants measurements. Flange to flange and spring perch to spring perch. And I gotta do that right now, so. Yeah, I can't find a damn tape measure. Damn it. Are you kidding me? No. Alright. Yeah, there's a unit right there. What's it look like? It looks like about 50 inches. I was telling 50 inches. Alright, spring perch center center. What I did was threw a couple of 1x and lined them both up on the left hand side. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can't do it this way because you got this in the way, so you gotta get kind of around it somehow. That's how I'm doing it. I think 47 1/4, 47 3/16. We'll say 47 1/4. Remember, 47 1/4. 47 1/4. I say 46 5/8. I can't remember. I'll have to go redo it. Alright, we're back at the tilt and trim. Looks like from what I read on the internet, I can use Dexron. Yes, transmission fluid. So I'll see what I got. I don't know if I got anything like that. Alright, I got it. I'm gonna throw this top pin in it. It's got a little screwdriver slot on the side of it, so you can get this hole to correspond with the hole that's in the ram up here. So this hole needs to correspond with that hole. Then you need to drop a pin that I just lost. Son of a, oh, here it is. This pin here secures the whole thing. So anyway, keep an eye on me. There we go. Oh, son of a... Let's go back up. Whew. Oh, that pin that I keep losing. Okay. That did her for that. All right. there you go. So how do you like me now, Brenda? Just cycled it back and forth, and then just kind of kept adding fluid as it was filling the cylinder up. And you can kind of hear that it'll self-bleed itself, but anyway, we'll cycle this a couple times and then refill it. The whole system almost took nearly a quart. There's still some in there, but you know, all you gotta do is reroute this cable where it needs to be and secure it, and then yeah, we'll try firing it up. Maybe go for a ride some other day. This is nice having this work, because we struggled lifting it up by hand. The son of a bitch is heavy. Anyway, pretty cool, I guess, you know. Anyway, this is not, you know, by any means, it was not a how-to, I guess, for this. More or less, it was, I guess, entertainment for our fans. Hopefully, you were entertained. But, what was I going to say? Oh, I got it. Anyway, that's how I spent my day, doing this. I want to fix Dad's truck, too. So, yeah, I'll see if I can get the carburetor off the Barracuda. But anyway, I want to finish this up, get my tools and all this crap cleaned up. And then, anyway, yeah, like I said, yeah, Blake lost like 4 episodes of footage. So he's pretty bummed out about that. So I thought, well, what the hell, if I got to do this, might as well record it. And anyway, there you go. So that's what we did. So I'm going to get this up to him and have him throw it up. Bye-bye, folks. Thanks for watching.